Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is time to get ready for the weekend. It has finally made it. Now, I got some watch faces for you to check out. Now, I don't know what you have going on for the weekend. I don't know if it's going to be a fun weekend, a casual weekend, or a dress-up weekend. Now, what I do have, we're going to give you some fun watch faces. We're going to try to give you everything that you need to be geared up for the weekend. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. The name of the watch face is called Light Watch Face. Now, number one looks nice. I like number one. It's a fun looking watch face, a everyday watch face, even for the weekend, especially depending on what you're wearing. Very colorful, very nice. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice analog watch face look. But when the watch face is on, again, I like the theme that's going on in the background. It really brings out the numbers. I like how colorful this watch face gets. And it changes as the time goes on. So maybe you'll see the 12 lit up red. Maybe you'll see the 3 lit up yellow. So it kind of goes like that. I like the theme of it all. Not bad for a everyday casual watch face. And it is in the active. So if I tap in the center, I will be able to get my step status info. Also, what I can get, let me straighten this out, is the fact that I can get my battery info as well. So for a fun watch face, it's not a bad download, and I have completed the week. This is a freebie in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, with that being said, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. Nice color, nice casual wear, very simplistic, but nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Analog Blue as Health. Now, if you want to keep up with your steps or you're going to be working out for the weekend, this is going to be the perfect watch face to have on your wrist. And yes, people, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice, simple look. You're going to get your battery info as well. And you got a second hand that's going to be cruising around the bezel of the watch in the AOD mode, which I thought was very different. Now, once the watch face is on, up at the top, you are going to get your date, the day of the week. You come down, you're going to get big, bold, legible time. Now, I don't know if this is going to be a 24-hour watch face as well. It's not saying that it is, but it could be. So check it out. Now, you got also analog as well as digital, which I thought was pretty cool, a nice blend. But you come down, you are going to get your step info, going to get your calories burned, miles walked or ran to the right, and also your battery info. So if you need to get into your step status info, simply tap right here and it will pull it right up. Same thing for your battery. If you tap on your battery, it'll bring up your battery information. So I thought this was a good look. If you're into blue, the background looks really, really nice. But hey, at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Remember that it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, I got one more for you. I got one more, so don't go anywhere because here it comes. Last but not least, watch face number three. Now, number three is really nice. You got a red and black theme. I'm telling you, you could blend this with whatever color you got. Silver background so far as where the information is concerned. So I like the look. I like where the developer was coming with this one. And I thought he did a really good job with this casual watch face. Again, remember, it's the weekend, people. This one you may get away with dressing up super casual with this watch face. The name of the watch face is called Sidewinder. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look so far as the design and the theme is concerned. And it's going to look slightly different between the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. But you'll still be able to see your digital time, your analog time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, again, I like the look. Up at the top, you are going to get your date, the day of the week. You come down over here to the left, you will get your battery info, the name of the watch face to the right, and down at the bottom, you got 24-hour time. Now, again, you get an analog watch face with a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which isn't a bad look. Again, for casual wear, and it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, I'd say check it out. I'd say give it a try, and if you don't like it, undownload. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, remember, people, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.